bicycle restoration. My bike restoration has come to a halt because I have a seized bicycle post and a seized bottom bracket. As you can see, they're all taped up, ready for some chemical help. Over the weekend I tried these two, WD-40 and GT85, to unseize the bottom bracket and also the seat post, but no luck. A friend has advised me before I go drastic and use blow lamp or monkey wrench or something that most could damage the frame or me, to go the route of Coca-Cola. He said to pour Coca-Cola into the stem and let it deoxidize the aluminium post. To do that, I've taped the bottom and also used some children's plasticine, so there will be no leaks. I then made a place where I could pour the Coke in, the Coca-Cola, using some plasticine as a funnel at the entry points where you screw in your water bottle holder, using a turkey baster or meat baster, and it just pours into little holes. I'll leave it for a while, let the Coke do its work for about 24 hours and see what happens. The bottom bracket, I've made a plastic wrap around with plasticine and such, and poured Coca-Cola into it to try and use the chemicals in Coca-Cola to deoxidize whatever's wrong with this bloody thing. See you later.